Hi, my name is Josh Aldrich with Del Sol Energy. We're currently working on a project for Delta Valley Health Club here in Brentwood. This is Brentwood's premier gym since 2002. It's massive. It's 55,000 square feet that uses a ton of energy. Some of the other amenities include 2 heated swimming pools, cycling room, cardio room, and multiple basketball courts. When complete, the system will offset 90% of their energy usage. If you have any questions about this project or any other project, please reach out to us at Del Sol Energy.